Hi, Shaima this side. So basically, I'm from Mumbai. I've started my YouTube and Instagram, and this is one of the video of 2019 when I shooted first time. This is the athletic clips which I've added where I was supposed to be athletics. I wanted to be a part of Olympia, but again, it was not possible. My father didn't allow me. This was one of the dream which I wanted to achieve it. But due to some restrictions and all, he didn't allow me to do I just a sacrifice. Any which ways, from the school time itself, I was always participating, as you can see in the video. I was a part of the presentation as well. And when I used to teach in school, and on 2020, when I was a part of Forever Living product, again, it's a marketing, network marketing basically. When this is the ribbon and this is the recognition of assistant supervisor. Alhamdulillah, currently today I am the manager in Forever Living product. This is the photo of the Sign Hospital, and this was the last photo of 4 kilometers when I was participating in marathon. This one of the clip which I've added, like I was supposed to do a job in Orchid International School as a parents relationship manager. So yes, this is one of the journey of my life. And from the time of MLM itself, when I was a part of Forever, I always wanted to buy an iPhone. So Alhamdulillah, I buy it from self-owned, basically iPhone 16 from my money. And I've started doing research from a long back. This is the late night hustle where I'm hustling and doing research on studying abroad, finding out many things, approaching the people, messaging them online, and just roaming here and there just to find out the right person for the right information from a law background. So yes, this is one of the journey which I have shared you in a very short. So I was just returning from the place, just I shooted this video and putting this voice. So I would request you, this is my first video. So please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and please do guide me and just pray for me for and everyone wish you good